Today we are discuss the scientist of ancient India. In the previous lesson, we read about the relationship between the science and the technology. In this lesson, we will to read about the contribution made by the ancient Indian and the field of mathematics and science, and including also made the medical science and Ayurveda, yoga, astronomy, astrology. We will to surprise to know the lot of scientific knowledge was to involved in this ancient India so many years ago. This claim of superiority and every way the including of this field the knowledge lets us now we take the look of some those contributions and ancient Indian mathematician. First is the Buddhayan. Buddhayan was the first ever arrived the several concepts of mathematics, which was to later the discover the Western world. The value of pi was the first calculated by him. Also, as you know, the pi as the useful and calculating in area of this circumferences of this circle. What is the known of this Pythagoras theorem today is already found of Buddhayan in his sutra, which is was to written in several years before ago in Pythagoras. Next is the Aryabhatta was the 5th century mathematician and astronomer, astrologers, and also he was a great mathematician also. He was to this pioneer in this field of mathematics at this age of 23. He wrote the Aryabhatta, which is the summary of the mathematics of his time. There is the four sessions in this work. The first session is describes the method of denoting the big dynamic numbers and this alphabets. Also the second session he found the difficult questions from this topic of modern mathematics, such as the number theory and also the algebra. The remaining two sessions are also the astronomy. The Aryabhatta shows that the zero was to not the numerical word, but it is also the symbol of this concept. The discover of the zero in Aryabhatta to this found and distance between the earth and the moon. The discovery of the zero is the open up new new ways and dimensions of the negative numericals. In the ancient India, the science of astronomy was well advanced. It was to call this also the very famous astronomical observation of Nalanda were to Aryabhatta. And in fact the sciences astronomy is highly advanced, and this it was too proud of it. The aim behind this development of this sciences astronomy was to need of the calendar and this better understanding of the climate and rainfall pattern and timely sowing to choice of the crops and fixing dates and the season festivals, and also the calculating of the time and casting of horoscope. The astrology, the knowledge of the astronomy is popularly knowledge, and the stars was to this great importance of the trades, because it was to requirement crossing the oceans and during this night time. The popular view of this planet is the very Aryabhatta is expected of this theory. Earth is the round and rotate on his own axis. He is to explain the special features, and when the person is travel on this boat and the trees, it shows to appear the moves and opposite direction. He also correctly started the moon and this planet shine by reflecting the sunlight. He also given the scientific explanation of the solar and lunar eclipse, the clarifying that is the eclipse were not because of Rahu and Ketu, some of other. Do you realize now why first satellite sent into this orbit of India was to name after the Aryabhatta? The next is the Brahmagupta. The 7th century Brahmagupta took at the mathematician's height beyond this order. He was the method of the multiplication. He is also the place of almost the same way and used today. He introducing the negative numbers and this zero, including the mathematics. He wrote the Sapta Siddhika, and through this Arabics comes into know the mathematical system. Next is Bhaskaracharya was to Indian 12th century scientist. He was to born in Karnataka. He was the famous for this Siddhanta Shiromani. It was to divided into four section: Lilavati, Birj, it means that the Bij Ganit means algebra, and the Golayan, and this mathematics of this planet. The Bhaskaracharya introducing the methods of the cycles and the method of this algebraical equations. This method was to resolve the six criteria. The European mathematics who called this cycle, and this 19th century the Englishman James, and also translated this Lilavati, made the great work of known in this world. Next is the Mahaviracharya. There is the elaborated mathematician in the Jain literature. The Jain gurus were the known was to solve this equations. They have to describe the fictions of algebraic equation series, the set of theories, and also they investing the manners. The Jain guru Mahaviracharya, the wrote of Geetsar, uh, which is the first textbook of this arithmetic is the present day. This current method of solving the latest common multiplication given from this described by him, and this is the long before this John, and introducing this world was to already known of India. The science mathematics in Indian contribution is knowledge of science is two. Let's now the learn about the contribution of scientists of ancient India. First is the Kanad was the 6th century scientist, and he was to six systems of Indian philosophy. He originally name of Alukya. He got the name of Kanad because even as the child he was too interested in every minute of particular the called the particular called of Kana, and his atomic theory is the match in any modern atomic theories. And according to this Kana, the material universe is made up to Kanas, it means the atoms, and it cannot be through this human organs. This cannot be further. This they are two individuals, and introducing this is very curious, and knowing the modern atomic theory is also says. Next is the Varaha Mihir was to another well-known scientist is the ancient period in India. The leave of Gupta period, and Varaha Mihir made the great contribution in the field of the hydrology, geology, ecology. He is also known as the first scientist in claim of this the planet could be the introductions of this underground water. He given the list of six animals and the 33 plants which could be indicated the presence of water. He give very important information regarding this it means that the demuck, which is the insect of destroy the wood, that they got the very deep the surfaces in the water level. During this water keep there the houses wet. And another theory which is the attracted this world of the science earthquake cloud. The theory given the Varahamir is the Brit Sanhita. Brit Sanhita is very important theory of Varahamir. The 32nd chapter, the Samhita is devoted in the sign of the earthquake. He is also tried to explain here to earthquake in influences the planet, and also the activities of underground water and unusual cloud formation and abnormal behavior of animal. Another field where the Varahamir is contributed in Western maintaining on Jyotish and astrology. Astrology was to given the very high place of ancient India, and to in even today Jyotish was which is main science and light of originated of Vedas, which is presented by the scientifically Jyotish. And this Aryabhatta and Varahamihir, you have to already seen the Aryabhatta devoted of to sessions, and the Aryabhatta is astronomy, which is very basic astrology, and astrology science is predicting the future. The Varahamihir was 9 gems, which is the scholar of court of the Vikramaditya. Varahamihir's prediction were accurate. The king Vikramaditya give him to Varaha. Next is the Nagarjun. Nagarjun was to the 10th century scientist. The main of this experiment was to transfer basis of elements gold like to the Western world. Even though the even though was not too successful in his goal, he succeed in making the element with the gold like shine. Till date, the technology is also used to making the imitation jewelry in his uh, experiment. And he has to discuss the method of extension and metals like the gold and also silver, tin and copper. The As you have to read the scientific knowledge of this highly advanced in the stage of the ancient India in the keeping of with the time. The medical science was also highly adopted to Ayurveda is indications of the system of medicines. It was to developed to ancient India. The Ayurveda is literally means has to science of good health and longevity of the life. The ancient Indian system of medicines are not to only helps to this treatment of the diseases, but also the finding the cause of the symptoms and diseases. It has also guide the healthy as well as the sick. It defines the health and also the doses and the disease, and also it is healing process. In this Ayurveda there are some uh, scientists in this way. The Sushrut is pioneer of this field of surgery. He considered as a surgery and highest division of this healing art the list of label in this Ayurveda. He is also studied at the autonomy and the help of the dead bodies. Sushrut Sanhita. uh, Over that the mention the including 1000 and 100 the fevers, 26th kind of the jaundice, and the 8 kind of the urinary complaints of the 20 kinds. Over the 760 plants are to describe all the parts of root, bark, juice and rising flowers, etc. Where use of cinnamon, sesame, pepper and ginger, also the household remedies even today. The Sushru Samhita is mentioned the selecting and presenting dead bodies. For this purpose, it's to details the study of has been described. It dead bodies had old man or the person who dead the several diseases was to generally not considered for this study. The body of needed to perfectly clean and this preserved this bark of this tree, and it was to kept on the cage hidden carefully in the spot of the river. There was to this current river softness. It after 7 days it removed and from this river, and that was to clean with the brush of grass and roots the hair of the bamboos. Within sorry When he was to this done, every inner outer part of this body could be seen very clearly and closely. The Sushrut greatest contribution was to this field of plastic surgery also. And this removal body part and those of this cutting nose and also the ear, the common punishment of this that of ancient time. But the Sushru Sanhita is every accurate step by step description those of operations, how to be surgery with the help of very kindful surgery, and this is called this plastic surgery. Next is the Charak. Charak is considered the further ancient Indian science medicines. He was the Raj Vaidya, and it means that the royal doctor in the court of Krishna. He is the Charak Samhita is remarkable book of the medicines. It was to descriptions of the large number of diseases and given the method of identifying their causes and as well as the method of their treatment. He was the first talk about the designations and the metabolism and immunity importance of the health and the medical science. Charak Sanhita was to the stress has been the lead of removing the cause of diseases rather than the simple treatment and illness. Charak also the know the fundamentals of health, and don't you have to focusing the thousands of years back. The medical science was to such advanced stage in India. Next is the Yoga and Patanjali, the science of yoga, adopting the ancient India as to allied the science and Ayurveda for this healing and without of medicines at the physical and the mental health. The yoga has been divided into the Sanskrit was uh, yoga kriya, the yogic mind of inner, like all of this science and roots of the sveda. It defines to chitta and dissolving the thoughts and emotions. It controls our emotions, and meditation with help our healing our mental health. Yoga has to physical as well as to mental. The physical yoga is called to have a, and generally it is aims to removing the diseases, destroying to health conditions into this body. The mental yoga, it is a goal of the self realization and liberation of this bonding of emotional and spiritual balance. Yoga was to passed by the world and mouth forms of the another, and its credit very special in presenting the great sense of Patanjali. The Yoga Shastra and Patanjali is two very symbolic books of Indian ancient time.